Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review the newly launched Artis BT603. So let's move in. So hey friends, this is the box of the newly launched Artis BT603, and first we are going to read what's written on the box, then we are going to move inside the box. So as you can see, it has 12.5 watt of total output, 1500 mAh of battery, EQ presents, and USB port, micro SD card port, FM radio mode, operating range of 10 meters, and a micro USB input port of 5 volts and 1 amp. So as we have read all the specifications given on the box, as you can see, the same information given over here, and the same thing is given on all the sides of the box. We are going to move inside the box and check what you get in the box. So as you can see, first thing you get the speaker. Let me keep the speaker aside and look at the accessories provided in the box. So as you can see, there is a manual, or I think this is the warranty card. Yeah, this is the warranty card, 1-year warranty provided by Artis, and this is the manual for the speaker. Let me just focus. Yeah, so this is how the manual is. So let's check the accessories. So yeah, this is the accessory packet, and let's open it. And as you can see, your traditional charging cable given inside the package. So this is the charging cable, traditional charging cable, and this is your aux cable. So till the time I clean up all this mess, you can take a look at the speaker. This is the Artis BT603 out of the box, and first we are going to talk about the build quality and design of the speaker. Build quality wise, the whole speaker is made out of plastic. I'm very sure about the center part, it's made out of plastic, but the sides, these two panels, I think they are made out of rubber. They feel like they are made out of rubber, but I think they are also made out of plastic, but has a different coating on it. As you can see, this is a matte kind of a finish, and when you are going for the speaker, when you feel this sides, they are very soft. When you compare it to the center part of the speaker, they have a different coating onto it, which makes the speaker feel very premium. And when we talk about the design is very similar to the Artis BT90. If you haven't seen the unboxing of that speaker, you can see there is a card appearing over there. That was a budget friendly speaker. But when we talk about the design of the speaker, the design is very similar to that speaker. This is a cubical design which Artis is using right now, just that the form factor is more bigger than that speaker, because the speaker is more powerful and some more stuff than that speaker. The design is very good in my opinion. This cubical design is looking superb in my opinion, and because of this design, the speaker is about 1 feet long, and you have a speaker unit on this side. There is a subwoofer and a speaker unit over here in a single speaker, and you have a tweeter over here. If you can see, I don't know, I can see there is a single tweeter over here, and this is your control panel. So design wise, I think this new design which they are using is better than the older design. The cubical design, I'm okay with it. The design is superb, and the build quality is just tremendous. It's better than the products which I have used, like the Artis BT603. And moving on to the features of this speaker, features wise, you get all the things you need in a speaker in 2018, and at this price point you expect that kind of features by this brand, because this brand is just giving you lots and lots of stuff which no other brand is giving you at this price point. As you can see in this panel over here, you get a EQ mode also. When you talk about connectivity options, under this flap you can see the micro SD card, your USB port, you get a aux input. With that aux input, you get your aux cable also supplied inside the box. This is your charging port and on off button, and this is the LED indicator for the charging and the modes which you are in. So you get 1500 mAh of battery also inside this device. I know that's not that big, it's not that fantastic, but it's okay in my opinion. The playtime is about 5 hours, maximum 5 to 6 hours in my opinion, and the charging time is 2 hours max, but it's okay in my opinion. But I was expecting a bigger battery inside this thing because the form factor is very big when we compare it to the Artis BT90. Now we are going to move to the control panel of the speaker. So as you can see, this is a very clean control panel. I've never seen this kind of a control panel on any speaker. You can see there are some buttons over here like the play pause button, the mode button, the EQ button given in the center. You can change tracks through these buttons, and everything is made out of rubber over here. You can change volume also from these two buttons. And when you open this flap where it is written boombox, you can see that there is the on off button over here, your USB port, your micro SD card slot, your charging port, LED indicator over here, this hole, and this is for the aux port. So you can see this makes the speaker look so clean. The control panel is super clean. So friends, now we are going to move to the sound test of the speaker. So friends, I have connected this Artis BT603 to my Nexus 6P, and the name of the song is Rocket, and the volume from my device is full as always. Now I'm going to play the song.
Stop his motherfucking lights out.
Speaker now, this 12.5 watt speaker is very loud in my opinion. The bass is just above my expectations. Like, I was not expecting that much amount of bass. The bass is very thumping. You have seen the vibrations going on in this camera, that's because of the bass on this speaker. This speaker is very loud, but the problem with this Artis speakers, like I've been unboxing the Artis speakers from about a year right now, I have noticed the problem with those speakers is when the battery is below 20% or 15%, the speaker will start distorting. It will give you indication, but under 10% like a t kind of a sound, but below 20% the sound will get distorted when the volume is full. You have to reduce the volume at that time. But when the volume is fully charged, like right now, this speaker is not having any kind of distortion. Not only this, but other Artis speakers also does not have any kind of distortion when the volume is full. But at this time, when the battery is below 20% or 15%, the speaker can get distorted. Just go and connect it to the charger. The speaker will just recover by itself and sound like new. And friends, the build quality on this device is also magnificent. Tremendous build quality, above my expectations. Everything is just above my expectations. The EQ modes are superb. There are, I think so, 4 or 5 EQ modes, like the bassy, the more treble one, and more EQ modes. And the features on this speaker is just superb. Like, for this price point, you are getting a lot of speaker in my opinion. You get great connectivity options, you get good amount of battery backup in my opinion. So friends, if you want to buy this speaker, the links are in the description. And friends, buy any of the speakers which I have reviewed from the links in the description, because it helps the channel a lot. And friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Artis BT603. Thank you for watching, friends.